So what we have here today is some of these LED lights which I dug out the trash at work many years ago. So I wondered, why are they in the trash? So this one's stripped and this one's opened. Quite a bear to get them apart. They got these clips, these ones that keep the two halves together. They're not the friendliest things to take apart. You have to vandalize them a bit. So the way they work, is you can daisy chain them. They're intended for electrical panels. There's the mounting brackets over there, attaches to the underside of the panel inside for interior lighting of an electrical panel or cubicle. So you have this, which opens up like so, and you've got the screw connectors, and then it snaps closed like so. And once again you have to fiddle with those to get it open. So you can pass the mains passes through them. You can daisy chain them. Now these had failed, and I'm going to show you what went wrong. But first we want to see it work. So I'm going to plug it in and just shield you from the light. So there's the light. That's what it looks like. So you've got your power on, power off switch over here. So the light's going away. There we go. I'm going to unplug it so we don't become a victim of the machine age. So where's my pointer? So here's the inductor. And in both cases, what I've found is that this inductor, which is surface mount, like so, are not properly soldered to the board, which is basically is a large copper layer. That's the point of failure on these things. This is an LNK302TN device over here. So you got your switch. There's the inductor, which would be that one over there. There's your rectification diodes, as well as your snubber. And there would be a current sensing resistor, because this is a constant current buck converter. So there's the table for the current for the various devices. This is from Power Integrations. So that's the device being used. So there's your 5 ohm resistor. It has a there's a proper fuse over here. Let me examine it. T1A. Possibly in the order of an amp. Then you've got your decoupling and filtering capacitor. There's the main switch, there's the input bridge, filtering smoothing capacitor. We have inductance over here, some more capacitance, then over here your current your switch mode current regulator. So as you can see, not much of it is throttle mount, and the track's running on the back. So there's 4 of them. 2 of them would be DC and 2 of them would be mains. And I can see the ones on the outside here are the links across to the mains. And then the center ones are the DC. And then you have your rows of LEDs, each one with a resistor, like so. And that is how this fits together. So I got them working again. Of course, this is all copper. Quite a lot of heat is needed to get this soldered properly. And that's where this product failed, is these inductors were not soldered down properly. Oh, there's the capacitor on the output to the switch mode. I was wondering where it is. And there's the diode, like so. It's a fairly textbook circuit. So I got these working again. They'll stay in the shelf for use if needed. But it was interesting to see why are they sort of lying there discarded, and see if it could be fixed, which it turns out it's a mechanical problem, not a electrical problem. Interestingly, we have since changed to another type of fitting, which on the back doesn't require screws. It's actually got magnets, and they just attach to the mild steel cabinet, which is quite nice because it means we don't need drilling, and it means that they can be repositioned if need be. These are very nice and installed inside an electrical cubicle. Now you can see what's going on. They have other uses as well. And I think we've had our talk about these little devices, these lights. What happened here, how I fixed it, now they work. Done a little bit of digging into the circuitry. And I think that's the end of the video, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for being here today. I appreciate the views. Thanks for being a part of the channel. I'm going to be taking some more stuff apart to you, or doing something soon. Take care and see you next time. Cheers.